Hello, and once more it's Charles Dickens coming at you live on Earth Dragon Art channel. Haha! I hope that so far that you've enjoyed every video that's come out on my channel so far, and I have still some more to come for you, which I hope you will also enjoy. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that more people like your good self can enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do be a chap and hit that big red button. That way you'll be kept up with all the new videos as they become available. And the great thing is, the subscription is free. It doesn't cost you anything other than your support for my channel. And do remember to set the notification bell so that the moment a video is available, you get an immediate ping to say it's live. Anyway, let's get on with today's video. Today, I am going to be sharing with you a mini Lego Gingerbread Man character. It wasn't a massive Lego build, unfortunately, which was a bit disappointing. However, I did release a video last year of this very same piece. But since that time, I have been able to find a way to help improve on the quality of the footage. So hopefully this will be a much better video than the previous one, and I will take that one down at some stage. That said, hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you at the end for a lovely closeout. Ah, right, clever. Even got a little door. Oh, that was easy enough. Well, that was my gingerbread man. I hope you enjoyed that video. I do have plans to expand upon this at some point. I will let you know about that as the time comes. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Please be sure again to like this video if you have, subscribe if you have not, and hit that notification bell so that you're always advised the minute a video is available for you to enjoy. Other than that, thank you for watching again, and I will catch you later. Cheerio. Oh, waistcoat. Oh, bang my head while I'm high. Enjoy. Oopsie. Oops, take this off.